Welcome back, Go Gang. We out here at the baseball games. Crew, how's your game gonna go?
Good.
Are you gonna hit some bombs?
Yeah.
Hey, focus on the camera.
My mom forgot my bag. She had to go and
Paige.
get it. She just walked right by it, and this is the only thing I found in my car.
Yeah, we're having some difficulties with the baseball bag, and it got left at the Allred household. We're getting yelled at by Dad. So yeah, you guys want to see a bird's home? I'm gonna show you. So down at my local baseball field, we have this beautiful visitor dugout right here. Yeah, a starling lives right up there. That's his home. So yeah, stay tuned for the next couple of vlogs.
Logan out.
What? They're gonna be really interesting, these next couple ones. I'm gonna try to catch some big monsters. I'm gonna try my hardest. So my assistant Logan, he wants. Oh wait, my eyes here. Oh crap.